Hi, my name is Anuj, and I had taken up the course Mathematical Modeling of Mechanical Systems from Decibels Lab. I think it was a very good course for me because I have a mechanical background. I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's of Technology at Vellore Institute of Technology in Chennai. I'm currently in my fourth year and I'm about to finish it. And I was thinking about doing up and finding up some courses online, but most of the courses showed up with projects or so-called projects which were not real because they were not industry related or industry oriented, because most of them were like something you just calculate and do on SolidWorks, but that doesn't count as a project because it's something very simple or basic. But however, in this course we had a lot of options, as we can choose whatever course we want to take up as a student, and there are a lot of projects which are available in the same course, and I think which are useful because they are problems which are currently being used in the industry, and also the softwares which are being employed by Decibels, which is something different. Not everybody teaches you MATLAB or Scilab, which is very useful tool in the industry, I guess. So I hope you get a gist of what they're offering. It was a great experience for me as well. I was able to finish the course in due time, and it was very simple and very effective. The instructions and the instructors were very good and very supportive. I hope this helps you out to figure if you want to take up a course in this field or not. Thanks.